create an order for tabletops or non-prepared veneers, select the teeth you'd like to work on in the order form. Then click the Anatomy design. Under Temporary Restorations, you'll find a drop-down list, which holds the tabletop's restoration type. When you start the tabletop design, first place the annotations on the required teeth. Then click Next to set the insertion direction. The software will suggest a direction, but you can choose to set it manually. If you have more than one tabletop or non-prepared veneer to design, the software will ask you to repeat these steps for all restorations. In this case, the patient is in need of more than 2 restorations. However, for our demonstration, we'll only work with 2 in this video. Clicking Next after setting the directions for the last restoration takes you to the Anatomy pre-design step. At this step, the Smile Composer automatically places the teeth that you need to adjust to the surfaces you plan to restore to. Placing the anatomy first helps you to fit your design to the unprepared teeth, to obtain a highly aesthetic design. All of the Smile Composer toolkit is available to help you to obtain the desired anatomy. When teeth are positioned and cover the surface which you wish to restore, press Next. Now, in the margin line substep, the margin line is automatically placed at the intersection between anatomy design and the non-prepared tooth. You can adjust the outline of the design to improve its shape and fitting. When the margin line is red, it means that a part of it is in the undercut area, and the red dots indicate where. When the margin line is green, there are no undercuts. After adjusting the margin line, click Next to go to the Die Interface sub-step, and adjust, set, or change the parameters if needed. And if you design more than one restoration, repeat the same steps for the rest of them. When finished, click Next and make final adjustments to the design in the Anatomy Design step. The design is now connected to the margin line and depicts the final anatomy. When you finish the improvements, click Next to get to the Save step. Once your design is completed, click Close to save it.